Hello, so here is ZALO app. Yeah, this is the app where you can just do video chats. It's a new messaging app for video chats, and it's popular in Vietnam. But suddenly it's also entered like the US App Store, yeah, it's. I think it soon will be like in top 200 apps. I think it's in top 300 apps in the US App Store. So that's interesting. Yeah, so with the help of this app, you can do all these video calls, you can do group chat, you can do shared media, you can do timeline, you can message your friend in a snap, you can express your emotion with fun, cheerful emoticon and stickers, find and get acquainted with friends nearby, send group messages, share your location, high level of privacy, and then you just have some explanation in Vietnamese. There are only 500 ratings so far, 3.4 out of 5 average rating. And then there are some like people telling that that some people can't open the app. There are some issues, but overall, okay, let's just explore the app, see how it might work. I'll just screen share for you so you can have an idea of this app. So here you just have two options where you can just, log in or register. So that's quite standard. So let's just register. There is also a Vietnamese version. So here I can just enter this. And then you can just add your phone number. So there are all these countries available. And then you just need to confirm the phone number. So here I have it in the and then you can allow your location, you can select your gender, you can select your birthday. Not sure if you can change it later. So then you can just take photo, so you can give access to your camera. So something like that, then just tap done. Then tap next. You can give access to your contacts, you can allow notifications, all of that. And that's basically it. You just created an app. So now you have the discovery field where you can discover all these different groups and yeah, all of that. So timeline, your profile. So there you have it. That's how it might work. Then there are settings, account and security. So that's basically the app. You can add contacts or add a close friend. Okay, I don't know, probably you just need to search for friends. Like if you just search here, let's see what happens. So you can then just go to discover. So that's probably also some groups or something like that. And then you can just message people and yeah, all of that. So hope this is helpful.